Hello there, good people. Welcome to another how-to series. Today we'll look at Kahoot. Couple of colleagues have asked me, some tutors have asked me about this. So here we go. Kahoot. Now it's just like another platform where you can have interactive sessions, especially when you're into online training. You can have this. Doesn't matter, teaching, training, a fun activity. Okay, there you go. So let's start Kahoot. What you can do is, if you already have a account, that's good, well and good. What you can do then is sign up. Okay, because I've already signed up, that's why it's showing me login. Okay, so it's just like another, just any other platform where you just sign in, put your email address and password. It's simple as that. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly log in. I've already used my email address and password, so it's free. I don't have any sort of like big like membership and all that, like upgraded plan. It's just simple, right? So let me just quickly create. Okay, new Kahoot, create. Okay, now I can ask, I can add questions here. Okay, let me just show you one or two quick ones. Yeah, add question, quiz. Yes, it's going to be a quiz. What, I'm just giving you examples here. Yeah? What is I'm looking at IT. Yeah, RAM. Okay, what is RAM? Random access memory, for example, memory. Okay, road AM. Oh, random access meme. None of the answers, something answers. Okay, right, so random access memory. I'll click this. Okay, you can have an image as well if you want. I'll show you just in a while. So basically this is just a quick question. You type your question in, you can have a picture here. What I've done is I've just put what is RAM, a question, and then random access memory. This is the right answer. You will select the right answer. You can even put a picture in here, and I've just given some more answers there, right? Okay, now let's go to another question. Okay, right, add question. Okay, so now we have this. I don't know where it came from, just let's delete it. Okay, so my first question is what is RAM. I'm going to do another one. Yeah, okay, now I will put here something like something like what is this? Okay, right, so now I can have a picture. Okay, you can upload a picture from your computer. You can have a YouTube link or image from the library. Let's see. I'm just going to say CPU. Okay, CPU. All right, maybe later. I know this is the paid ones. Okay, we can't access it. All right, no problem. Maybe electronic industry. These are all paid, apparently. Okay, no problem. That's fine. I'll just download one from the internet. Save image as, and then I will just dump it onto the other bit. Okay, let me just close that for you. Okay, we don't need that. This is all paid. Alright, upload. Alright, let me go to the computer. Just uploaded. What is this? Upload image. It's not taking it. Okay, there you go. That's that. This is CPU, which is the right answer. RAM, and maybe not sure, a computer. Okay. Right, so I've showed you the first one is I'll put a question there and I'll put some answers there. The second one I'll put some picture there, and that's it. So click on done. Right, we will call this quick quiz. Yeah. Continue. Alright, and now I have options here. You can take the test, play now, and share it with others. You can share it with others as well. So test this Kahoot, click on that. So let's see how it goes. Alright, and now we have options here. We can randomize, okay, randomize the questions. Alright, and then classic one, you can play it with the team as well. So let me just show you the classic. It was like one-to-one device. So now this is the number you get. You put the volume down. Okay, alright, so this is your pin. So you would go to your iPad or your audience. Basically you would give this to your audience, and they can download Kahoot app or just Kahoot.it. They will use this pin, and then they will enter this pin into their Kahoot. Okay, again, as I said, it can be on an iPad, your phone or laptop, any device, right? So Kahoot IT or Kahoot app, you can log in as a student. It will ask you for a game pin. You will enter the game pin and nickname, ID, let's say, okay, and look. So this is the screen of your learner on the left hand side, and this is you. You're the organizer, you're the teacher, okay, and you start. All right, look here. So now they can see this on their screen. Okay, are you ready? What is this? Okay, so it's asking them, what is this? Okay. Now you can see what is this? It's CPU. So they will click. Okay, let's go to the next one. So basically what happens is they will see the question and they will see the options, and they just need to choose the color. Okay, let me look at the next one. What is RAM? Okay, the right answer was the green one, yeah, random access memory. So they will click the green, on their screens, and that's how it's going to work. So next, that's it. Okay, it's easy as that. All right, I hope you like that. It was a quick session, and it's very easy. You need to give it a try. As a matter of fact, today was the first time I tried, and I created one within like 10-20 minutes, and I started playing with my audience. All right, so good luck, and thank you for watching. Bye for now.